Happy Halloween. Today's vehicle, Juice Wrangler. We'll start off with the three-piece custom wheels. We went with Waldoch and Forest Lake to help us outfit this thing. I do like this. The LED power running boards. Couple different Waldoch badges. Custom front bumper from them with some LED lights in it. Little lift, but this is the juice color, which is pretty. We've only had a couple of them on the lot. They seem to go pretty quick, but I got the mask on, so I figured I'd go with it. But this is pretty good looking with the black wheels and the sport hood. Don't miss your chance to come take it for a ride.